Hello, welcome to my Monday dash along. Today is April 25th. As you guys can see, it's 2:33, and I'm already on the edge of Nicholasville. And something that I did something last week, and today happened as well. When I left the house, I turned on the Grubhub, and hopefully, maybe I can get something on my way in with a higher payout. And check this out. 22 miles away from KFC, from Nicholasville. I got, as you guys can see, I was just past Lancaster when I landed this. 25.44, and delivery is actually in Nicholasville, just I don't know, about 3 miles away from the restaurant. So we starting off a day very nicely with $25.44. So hey, if you guys have Grubhub and you do live quite a bit of ways away from where you're dashing and your zone, turn on your app while you're at home or on your way to the zone, and see if you can pick it up something with and get paid better. There's another thing that I might be experiencing down the road, is actually having a Grubhub app on while sitting at home. Of course, chance of me getting something like that 45-50 miles away is very slim, but who knows? Possibilities can exist. I did not know that Grubhub here in Nicholasville actually can be this good, especially when they're desperate. They'll pull drivers away from far away. So there you go. I will keep you guys posted as I keep on getting new offers. But keep that in mind about Grubhub, that you can actually get better offers if you are at least, I notice, about 10 or more miles away. The offer will come in with extra compensated time and mileage pay. So we'll be back. Okay, that delivery is complete. See what happens next. I only have a Grubhub app on right now. I am going to head towards Lexington, get gas and fill up gas at Sam's Club. Probably stop by and eat so I can be ready to go when things do come around. So originally that's my plan is. That's why I leave a little bit early so I can gas up. But today I got the delivery while I was on my way, so now I'll use that flexibility of the time and get some of those things out. But in case something does comes around and it's good, I won't hesitate to take it. So as I was on my way to Lexington, I got this offer of $12.52. So as you guys can see where my blue dot was, so they and then brought it back to literally almost the same neighborhood. I don't know, about 2 streets away from where I dropped off the previous one. So it's gonna be my second attempt to get back to Lexington so I can gas up and have breakfast, lunch, dinner. I don't know, I eat only once a day, so it doesn't really matter which one it is. So let's see what happens. Hopefully I'll have a chance and won't get something else that I like and I'll take. I don't know if I'm gonna eat today because got back into Lexington, walked into Qdoba, where lately I'm eating, and was waiting on the line, and I got this offer. Going back to Nicholasville, picking up an order, and then taking it to almost into Lexington downtown. I'm not sure why not. $25. I cannot say no to that. So I just walked out of the line and got in the car, and right now on my way. So that's going to put us at $63 almost. Hopefully on my way back from Lexington, from downtown Lexington, I'll stop by and hopefully get a chance to eat. But again, that's gonna put me around 4:45 by the time that's gonna start rush hour. So am I gonna eat? I guess not. I guess I'll have to grab something on my way home late night tonight, or just consider a day where I spent fasting. So there it is, and let's get this happening. Okay, and as I just picked up the Zaxby's and just leaving, Grubhub sent me this order of $12.22. I just checked, so there's one me to go drop this one off, then come back and do the Zaxby order. So it looks like Grubhub today short on drivers in Nicholasville, big time. Otherwise, they wouldn't book me because this ride is about, let's see. Oh, I need to change this. You guys give me a minute. So 26 minutes there, 26 minutes back. That's almost an hour later. I will be back just to do that. Was that a McDonald's order or something like that? Yeah, so there you go. Definitely they're big time behind if they're doing already booking me an hour later. Okay, I completed all the deliveries. And sorry, it's just a lot of stuff been happening. So it puts me at $75, and right now it's $5.40. There's no point for me to go to Lexington to eat at this point, even though it looks like Grubhub is not sending me anything. So I guess some new drivers come on clock 10 or something. I am gonna start probably turning on Uber Eats and DOORDAsh, because should be getting busy on those apps as well. You know what? I did 75 already, right? Why don't I try to sit on that? Let's check the calendar. Schedule. So from 4 to 6, they have one opening. From 5 to 7, one opening. 5:30 to 7, which is the period right now, one opening. From 7 to 9, two openings. So let's see. So we might be a little slow between now and 7. So I'll turn on DoorDash, I guess, during that time, and then at 7, I guess, should be busy till 9, till 10, if probably. So we'll be back. Okay, I got this offer with the possible pay of $9. Right now, they're offering at 7 for 3.9 miles going north towards Lexington. So I'm taking that, going to pick it up right now.
$7.50 delivery, total $9.75.
So as we see, we got a $9.75 for the $7 offer order. We'll be back. Okay, I'm going to try to get another attempt and go in and having breakfast / lunch / dinner. If not, then maybe Grubhub will give me another order. That's $20 or so. So we'll see. And here's the offer. Just sat in the car, walked out of the Qdoba, and they just sent me this. So why not take it? I know it's a hard drop off because taking me back into downtown area, but for some reasons today, that's what they want me to do. They want me to continue delivering into downtown. So I'd go pick it up. And we're going to Sunny Barbecue. It's so nice I finally ate. You know, been able to cut up, get some things done in the morning. Created a video that you guys should have seen last night. Started working on a video or on the spreadsheet for the video that you guys will be seeing tomorrow, which when I release this video, that's going to be Tuesday night. You guys will see that video. Hopefully everything goes smoothly and there'll be no issues. So already made some money with this order. Where are we? With this order already added to the timesheet, that puts me at $110. So after I complete this order, I need to get 40 more, and I'm good for the night. And honestly, not sure I want to stay longer than I have to because of the rain. So definitely gonna go pick up that barbecue place. Where is that order? So Sonny's Barbecue. Pick it up and drop it off, and we will be good to go for 41 more dollars. Okay, I got this offer from Ching Chinese restaurant for $15.50, 10 miles. It probably might be more, might be $15.50. So let's go pick it up. Okay, I probably might have missed a few deliveries reporting to the video, but as you guys can see, I got about $44.50 on DOORDAsh and $100 on Grubhub. For some reason, Grubhub went silent after that last $24.95 delivery, and I have not gotten anything since. So we're at $144.59 for the day. Yes, I needed another $5.50 of delivery, but it is what it is. So guys, hopefully these videos give you guys some knowledge, some wisdom, something you guys can learn from them. Maybe compare your market today, but today was a slow day compared to some other days. Grubhub helped out a lot. If it would have not been Grubhub, I'm not sure if I would have done good today. A lot of orders coming in, but at $2.25, but nothing coming, but very little coming in that actually decently pays. If you guys can see, I got $6.75, $6.25, and another $6.25 on DOORDAsh. That possibly hidden tip, but turned out to be nothing other than $4 tip. So it's 9 o'clock. I decided to go home. I'm not even sure from how to calculate, because we calculate from I guess we could call it 6 hours. 6 hours, $144. That is more than because if you go 6 times 2, That's 1,220. We did more than 120, so we did more than $20 an hour. That's about all I can say right now. So guys, be blessed, be successful, and I'll be back with more videos. So correction, there was actually a $5 DoorDash challenge. Honestly, I don't read the challenges, so wasn't aware. So that put me at 149.59. So at 150, I'm about what? 41 cents short of my target. I call it target. Good. 150 in 6 hours. Because if you subtract the lunch, and when we got the offer around 2:30 or so, I think good. 6 hours, really good. So guys, I do apologize for this correction, and just I do verify it, and I kind of noticed something not adding up, but found the problem. Everything adds up, and we're good. So be blessed.